My baby. Yeah, she's a little deconstructed at the moment. She's a little dusty, but that's easy to fix. I'm not really worried about the dust so much because I can polish that up. You know, anyhow, um, the reason she's dusty and tipped over in my garage just a tad, and I fixed it. Been long fixed it, but I did some other cool things while waiting. As you can see, these wheels are brand new. I put them on myself. I wasn't gonna pay $50 to, well, $150 to $100 to get the tires mounted balanced. I did them all with my Harbor Freight balance tool.